Does your engine feel like it is shaking apart and struggling to accelerate every time you step on the gas pedal? You could have a dead cylinder caused by a fuel delivery problem. We are looking at diagnostic code P0207, which translates to cylinder 7 injector circuit malfunction. To understand what this means, you have to know how the powertrain control module controls your engine. For every cylinder, there is a fuel injector that sprays exactly the right amount of gas. The computer sends a voltage signal to turn this injector on and off incredibly fast. When the injector is activated, the computer expects the voltage in the circuit to drop close to zero. When it turns off, the voltage should jump back up to near battery voltage, usually around 12 volts. The computer also constantly watches the electrical resistance in the wiring. If the voltage does not change as expected, or if the resistance is too high or too low, it throws this code to let you know cylinder 7 is not getting fuel. The symptoms are usually very noticeable. You will experience a major engine misfire, causing a rough and shaky idle. Your acceleration will feel incredibly sluggish, your check engine light will turn on, and your fuel economy will plummet. The causes for this specific code are almost always electrical rather than mechanical. The most common culprit is a totally burned out or defective fuel injector on cylinder 7. Other causes include a broken wire in the harness leading to the injector, a short circuit where two bare wires are touching, or in rare cases, a failing powertrain control module. Fixing this starts with taking a digital volt-ohm meter and checking the electrical resistance of the fuel injector itself. If the numbers do not match the manufacturer specifications, the injector is dead and must be replaced. You also need to check the connector to make sure it is receiving at least 10 volts with the key on. A clever trick is to swap the fuel injector from cylinder 7 with the injector from cylinder 6. If the trouble code changes to a cylinder 6 error, you know for sure the injector is the problem. If the code stays on cylinder 7, you have a wiring issue. Because dealing with fuel components and probing delicate computer wiring can be risky, you should probably see a professional mechanic if you are not comfortable using a multimeter. They can safely replace the injector and get your engine running smoothly again. Take care of your car and it will take care of you.